Hello children, how are you? Welcome back. I hope you all have friends, right? Like I have friends. I have friends. You also have friends. हमारे जिस तरह से दोस्त हैं, आपके भी दोस्त होंगे. So tell me, who is your close friend? Very close friend. Who is your close friend? Okay. What is special about him? तो उस दोस्त के बारे में खास बात क्या है? Why is he so close? क्यों वो इतना close है आपसे? Tell me now. Okay. So why I'm asking you this question today? तो हम आपसे ये सवाल क्यों कर रहे हैं? Because of these two guys. इन दोनों की वजह से. Demon and Pythias. Demon and Pythias. Okay. So they were true friends. True friends. कैसे दोस्त थे? सच्चे दोस्त. Their friendship was true. Let's learn the beautiful story of friendship called true friendship. True friendship. Sachi dosti. Okay? So, open your textbooks. Go to page number 12. 1, 2, 12. So now, I read the lesson loudly. हम सबक पढ़ेंगे बुलंद आवाज में. आप सिर्फ सुनेंगे और हमें फॉलो करेंगे. ठीक है? So let's begin. Unit 2, Prose. True friendship. Once upon a time, in the city of Syracuse, lived two friends, Demon and Pythias. Both of them were lovers of truth. However, their king, Dionysius, was an evil-minded ruler. One day, the king heard that Pythias had called him cruel and had said something against him. So he got very angry. He announced that Pythias would be punished for this and hanged. In the court of King Dionysius, Dionysius is on the throne. Pythias' hands are tied behind. Soldiers are on his either side. Pythias, O king, please allow me to go and meet my old mother and my sister before I die. I must arrange for my sister's marriage and bid goodbye to my mother. After that, I will return. This is my last wish. King Dionysius, impossible. I cannot grant your wish. How can I be sure that you will return? Demon enters the scene. Demon, sir, I am Demon and a true friend of Pythias. Please let him go to fulfill his last wish. I will remain in your custody until he returns. King Dionysius, all right, Pythias, but on one condition. I will fix the day and the hour of your return. If you do not return in time, your friend Demon will have to die instead of you. Okay, children, that's it for today. Okay. Repeat the video again if you could not follow me, अगर हमें फॉलो नहीं कर सके तो फिर से वीडियो रिपीट कर कर सुने. ओके, थैंक यू. तो स्टोरी समझेंगे. Once upon a time in the city of Syracuse. Once upon a time, एक मर्तबा. Once upon a time in the city. City like Hubli is a city, Bangalore is a city, right? In the city of Syracuse lived two friends, Demon and Pythias. They were very close friends. They loved truth. They loved truth. Truth means such. However, their king Dionysius was an evil-minded ruler. एक गलत सोच का हुक्मरान था. See, here is the king Dionysius here. He is sitting on his throne. This is his throne. Takht. This is his throne. He is sitting on his throne. He was very evil-minded. गलत सोच का राजा था. Okay. One day, the king heard that Pythias had called him cruel. एक दिन the king heard that Pythias had called him cruel, zalim, and had said something against him. इसके खिलाफ बोला. He had called him, Pythias had called him cruel and said something against him. So he got very angry. Huh? How could he say? How could he say against me? He announced. The king Dionysius announced. He said everyone, हर एक को बताया, announce किया, ऐलान करवाया that Pythias would be punished for this and hang. Hanging, how they hang, right? फांसी. So now, king ordered everyone in his court, अपने दरबार में बुलाया. So, in the court of Dionysius now, see, Dionysius is sitting on his throne. Pythias' hands are tied behind. So look at his hands here. Okay, his hands are tied behind. You can see here. Dionysius is on his throne. Who is Dionysius? Dionysius is the king. He is the cruel king. He is on his throne. Soldiers are on his either side. See, soldiers here. One soldier and two soldiers. Soldiers are on his either side. See how they are holding him. This is Pythias says, O king, please allow me to go and meet my old mother and my sister before I die. मेरे मरने से पहले मुझे मेरी बूढ़ी माँ और बहन से मिलने का मौका दो. I must arrange for my sister's marriage and bid goodbye to my mother. After that, I will return. उसके बाद मैं वापस आऊँगा. Please allow me, Pythias says, please allow me to go and meet my old mother, and arrange for my sister's marriage. This is my last wish, O king. Who is saying this? Is Pythias is saying this. Now king says, Dionysius. What he says? Impossible. Impossible. I cannot grant your wish. मैं तुम्हारी ख्वाहिश grant नहीं कर सकता. How can I be sure that you will return? मैं कैसे sure हूँ that you will return? Says Dionysius, the king. Now, Pythias' true friend. Who is his true friend? Yes. Demon enters the court. He comes in the court. He says, Sir, he's saying this to the king. Sir, I'm demon and a true friend of Pythias, a true friend. Please let him go to fulfill पूरा करने के लिए his lost wish. I will remain in your custody. Who is saying this? Demon is saying that I will remain in your custody until he returns. Until he returns, who? Pythias returns, I will remain in your custody. Now, king says, all right, Pythias, all right, ठीक है, Pythias, but on one condition, I will fix the day and the hour of your return. The king Dionysius is saying that I will fix the day. Which day? Right? The day. कौन सा दिन and कौन से वक्त you have to return. Okay. If you do not return in time, if you do not return वापस नहीं है in time, if you do not return in time, your friend demon will die instead of you. What is king telling here? If you do not return, अगर वापस नहीं आए in time, your close friend, your true friend, who? Demon, your friend, demon, will be punished. Punished how? By her instead of you. Okay, that's it. We'll learn the remaining lesson in the next video. Thank you. Please do the homework. होमवर्क कीजिए जो भी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स में दिया जा रहा है.